Is your small kitchen craving a touch of charm and personality? Imagine transforming it into a cozy, dreamy space straight out of a countryside cottage. In today's video, we're diving into cottagecore kitchen design, perfectly tailored for small apartments. From space-saving solutions to stunning DIY accents, we'll show you how to create a functional yet beautiful kitchen filled with rustic charm. Stay tuned till the end for budget-friendly tips and personal touches to make your cottagecore vision a reality. Picture this: a cozy, dreamy kitchen tucked away in a small apartment, filled with rustic charm, vintage accents, and a warm, inviting atmosphere. Sounds magical, doesn't it? That's the beauty of the cottagecore aesthetic. It can transform even the smallest spaces into a haven of comfort and style. In today's video, we're talking about designing a cottagecore kitchen specifically for small apartments. Cottagecore is more than just a design trend. It's a celebration of simplicity and a return to nature. It's perfect for kitchens because it combines functionality with charm, making the heart of your home a place where you can truly unwind. Whether you're cooking a meal or simply enjoying your morning coffee, a cottagecore kitchen brings joy and tranquility to everyday moments. Let's explore how you can create this timeless look in your small apartment, one step at a time. At the heart of cottagecore is a love for simplicity, nostalgia, and a connection to nature. It's a style that makes any space feel warm and inviting, and it's particularly suited for kitchens. To bring this aesthetic to life, let's start with its key elements: rustic charm, natural materials, and vintage touches. Rustic charm is all about incorporating elements that feel timeless and organic. Think wooden cutting boards, open shelves with mason jars, and weathered finishes on cabinets or furniture. These details not only add texture to your kitchen, but also make it feel grounded and authentic. Natural elements are another cornerstone of cottagecore. Soft wooden tones, wicker baskets, and fresh herbs displayed in ceramic pots bring the outdoors inside, creating a calm and cozy atmosphere. Pair these with light, airy colors like whites, pastels, and muted greens to make your kitchen feel open and inviting, even in a small space. Lastly, vintage touches tie everything together. Floral patterns on curtains or dish towels, antique-inspired kitchen tools, and retro-style appliances add a sense of nostalgia. These small but thoughtful additions give your kitchen a story, turning it into a space that feels like it's been loved for years. Designing a cottagecore kitchen in a small apartment comes with its challenges. But with the right approach, you can maximize both style and functionality. The key is to make every inch of your kitchen work for you while maintaining that cozy, rustic vibe. Start with space-saving solutions. Fold-down tables are a fantastic addition to a small kitchen. They provide a dining or prep surface when needed and can be tucked away when not in use. Open shelving is another great option for both storage and display. Use it to showcase pretty dishware, jars of spices, or small potted plants, all while keeping your kitchen essentials within easy reach. Next, choose multi-purpose furniture and decor. For example, a wooden bench with hidden storage can double as seating and a place to stow away kitchen tools or linens. Opt for stackable or collapsible items like stools or mixing bowls to save space. Small kitchens demand creativity, and these smart solutions let you incorporate cottagecore charm without compromising on practicality. Finally, embrace natural light and light colors to make your space feel larger and more inviting. A fresh coat of paint in a soft white or pastel shade can work wonders, reflecting light and creating an airy atmosphere. If natural light is limited, use warm-toned lighting fixtures or hang fairy lights for a soft, romantic glow. Together, these strategies will help you achieve a cottagecore kitchen that's as functional as it is beautiful. Adding a personal touch to your Cottagecore kitchen doesn't have to be expensive. With a little creativity and some DIY magic, you can create unique decor pieces that bring your small kitchen to life. Let's start with a classic Cottagecore project. Floral arrangements. Whether you use fresh blooms from the market or dried flowers for a rustic touch, arranging them in vintage vases or mason jars instantly adds charm to your space. Place them on countertops or shelves for a subtle yet impactful accent. Another easy DIY project is painting furniture or cabinets. A fresh coat of pastel paint, think sage green, soft pink, or light blue, can completely transform old pieces into beautiful focal points for your kitchen. You can also stencil floral or botanical patterns onto surfaces for an extra cottagecore vibe. This works wonderfully on wooden stools, trays, or even cutting boards. Don't forget homemade textiles. If you love sewing, create your own kitchen towels, table runners, or curtains using fabric with floral or gingham prints. These details tie the whole look together and make your space feel cozy and lived in. Lastly, add personal touches like hand-painted signs, framed recipes, or a chalkboard for notes and grocery lists. These simple, budget-friendly projects not only enhance your cottagecore aesthetic, but also make your kitchen uniquely yours. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a dreamy cottagecore kitchen in your small apartment. By incorporating rustic charm, natural elements, and vintage touches, you can transform even the tiniest kitchen into a cozy and functional space. With space-saving solutions, creative DIY projects, and thoughtful decor, your kitchen will not only look beautiful, but also feel like a true reflection of your personal style. Remember, cottagecore is more than just an aesthetic. It's about embracing simplicity and finding joy in the little things. Whether it's displaying a floral arrangement, enjoying a homemade meal, or simply sipping coffee in your kitchen, these small moments make the effort worthwhile. We'd love to see how you bring this style to life in your own kitchen. Share your ideas, DIY projects, or cottagecore transformations in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Design Lounge for more interior design inspiration and tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.